Okay guys, I got a piece of stuff I want to show you here. This is iPhone 4S, and typically it's not powered on, so we want to look at why it's not powering on and how we can fix this. We also tried connecting charger and nothing to avail. Let's uncouple the phone and check whether there is any problem in it. Now this is the back cover of iPhone S. The glass is already open. Okay, so deep down here. Alright, so guys, so the phone is not actually powered on, so maybe it should be a problem of the battery. I want to check this out. Oh, okay, deep down here you can see that the battery connector has already desoldered from the motherboard. The battery connector has already desoldered from the motherboard, so you can have a look of it. So as you can see here, this is the battery connector and it's meant to be here. It has desoldered from the motherboard, so we are going to try to solder it back, then put it in place so we can now test if it will enable the phone to power on. So firstly, we'll get our soldering iron ready. Firstly, we'll have to get our soldering iron ready. Our soldering paste and everything. We also got our lead here. Lead. Okay. Okay. We're pouring a little lead in the 4 pins, so I can get it ready for soldering the. You're not gonna be putting excess lead, so you don't make your work dirty. Okay, so we have added some lead to it. Alright, I'm just gonna zoom this so that you can have a clear overview of what's going on here. So we're gonna zoom up. Let's say okay, I think this was a little big. Coming down. Okay, alright, so we have our iPhone 4S battery connector here. Stitching. Okay, I think this is not a bit clear. Let me see if I can zoom it again. Okay, oh no, this will be a little bit drastic and have every size. Okay, I think this will be good, pretty good. Now we are gonna solder the battery connector to the board. Alright, so I'm gonna get my soldering iron. Let me actually zoom it up a little bit. Okay. Okay, so here is it. Let me just have it back view and you can check it out. So before we test the battery, let's first of all test for continuity if the battery has current before overload, because I think this battery is doing down maybe. Okay, there's current in it. So let's test it out. I'm going to put the battery back in place. And here we go. Power it on. Okay, so as you can see, the phone powered on but the battery is low. So if your phone is not powered on, it's actually due to, you can test some problems like the power flash or the battery connector. So here now it can now power on. What is left alone is for you to go and charge it. Okay, thanks for watching. Also don't forget to subscribe to our Whiteman channel, and if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. And also if you want to get more information, you can also join our Telegram group, t.me/white-man channel, and you can get out. Thank you for watching.